A very good morning to all of you. I hope you are doing good. So today we are going to see some questions, right? Let's see if we have a question of that we have to devise the chemical formula of magnesium chloride, right? So this is your question, that you have to devise the formula for magnesium chloride. So let's see how we do that. See, there are some rules and we have to follow the rules. First of all, you have to write the symbol of the cation and anion present in this compound. As we can clearly see that this is an ionic compound, magnesium chloride, made up of cation magnesium and anion chloride, right? So we will write first of all symbol. After that we have to write charge, and after that we have to write valency, right? So let's start by writing the symbol of magnesium, Mg, right? And symbol for chloride is Cl. Basically chloride is क्लोरीन का जो हमारे पास वैलेंसी होती है -1, इसको हम बोलते हैं क्लोराइड, राइट? अब एक बार हम चेक कर लेंगे कि भाई क्लोरीन की वैलेंसी -1 कैसे है, वो अभी हम वी विल सी हियर, राइट? सो लेट्स सी. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, इफ वी टॉक अबाउट magnesium atomic number 12, right? And if we talk about the electronic configuration of magnesium KLM shell, so 2 electrons will come in K shell, 8 electrons will come in L shell, and 2 electrons will come in M shell. So here we can see that there are 2 electrons in M shell. So valence electrons is 2 and M is the valence shell, right? So the valency of magnesium will become +2. Why? Because magnesium is a metal and metals are electropositive in nature. That's why it will lose its 2 electron and it will acquire positive charge, like in this way, Mg +2 and 2 electron. So Mg +2 here, it represents valency. So we can write that the valency of magnesium is +2, right? So if I write here, it is +2. And if we now further see the valency of chlorine, right? So the chlorine atomic number of chlorine is 17, we know that. And if the atomic number of chlorine is 17, then we can write electronic configuration of chlorine in this way, that 2, 8 and 7. But we know that chlorine is a non-metal and non-metals are electronegative in nature. By electronegative we mean that non-metal will always gain electron in order to complete its octet. मतलब जितने भी नॉन मेटल होंगे वो इलेक्ट्रॉन को गेन करते हैं. भाई ऑक्टेट रूल क्या कहता है कि आउटर मोस्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन में 8 यानी कि 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन होने चाहिए, और है कितने इसके पास 7. तो कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन और चाहिए 8 बनने के लिए? इसको 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन और चाहिए, राइट? सो द वैलेंसी ऑफ क्लोरीन विल बिकम 1, Cl -1. That's why we can write here -1, right? So after that we will do a phenomena of criss-cross. After that we will write here 2 and 1 without the symbol of positive or negative, only magnitude. We are here talking about magnitude, right? So crisscross, what do we mean by crisscross? We will see. By crisscross we mean that, see, we will write here only MgCl, right? So by crisscross, or we can also say that it is a phenomenon of crossover. We will apply crossover, that the valency of magnesium is plus 2 or 2 you can say. So 2 will write, we will write 2 in the top right bottom of chlorine, and 1 of this chlorine we will write in the top right bottom of magnesium. So it will become Mg1Cl2. And according to the rules for writing the chemical formula, whenever we come across 1, so 1 is omitted. That's why the final formula will become MgCl2. I hope this is clear to you all, right? So we will see another question to understand this concept in a better way, right? Let's see. If we write a question of aluminium oxide, right? We have a question aluminium oxide. So we will first obviously write symbol, right? After that charge, after that valency, and then finally formula. So the symbol for aluminium is Al and symbol for oxygen is O, right? We will see what is the valency of aluminium. So aluminium atomic number 13. So if we see that electronic configuration of aluminium, so we will come across that K shell will acquire 2 electrons, L shell will acquire 8 electrons, and M shell will acquire 3 electrons, right? And we can see that aluminium is a metal, so aluminium will lose its valence electrons, right, to follow octet rule. That's why the valency of aluminium is plus 3. Valency of aluminium is plus 3. So we can write charge present on aluminium is plus 3. I hope this is clear to you all. Now we will see about oxygen, right? So if we talk about oxygen, so oxygen has atomic number 8, and if we talk about the electronic configuration of oxygen, so it will be 2 and 6, and we can clearly see that valence electrons are 6. But oxygen is a non-metal, and non-metals are electron negative in nature. It means that it will gain electrons to acquire complete its octet, right? So that's why we know that there should be 8 electrons in outermost according to octet rule, right? But how many electrons are there in the outer valence shell of oxygen? It is 6. That's why it needs more 2 electrons. So the valency of oxygen will become minus 2. So we can clearly write here that the valency of oxygen is minus 2, right? So we will apply the phenomena of crisscross. Or you can also say about the phenomena of crossover, right? So by crossover we simply mean that the valency of aluminium, that the normal valency of aluminium we will write in the top right bottom of this oxygen, and the valency of oxygen will be written in the top right bottom of aluminium. So here we can easily devise the formula of aluminium oxide, that is Al2O3. Al2O3. I hope this is clear to you all, and if you have any doubts you can comment in the section of comment below. Thank you.